With the 24H2 release of Windows 11, there is a new function related to power settings in Windows 11, and it's called Power Saver. To enable Power Saver, click here on the Quick Settings, or Control Center as it used to be called, and then there is the option for Energy Saver. Now this typically will extend the battery life in your computer at the cost of the performance of the computer, and this function will also be available in the desktop computer. To enable the Energy Saver in the computer, we simply tap on the Energy Saver icon and the screen will be slightly dimmer and the performance of the computer will be adjusted. Now to disable the Energy Saver mode in your computer, we click again on Quick Settings and then click again so it's not selected, and that will deactivate the Energy Saver option in Windows 11. While you're in Quick Settings, you can click on the battery icon in the bottom left, and that'll take you to the power settings for your computer, and you can change the power mode from here and the usage and what happens when you close the lid and when you press the power button and so on in your computer.